I picked up this table with my own money. Here's my honest review. The table came nicely packaged without any defects. It included all of the necessary parts. When I first started looking at grooming tables, I noticed that some of the listings were for the arms only. This actually included the table as well. Very, very easy assembly. Just lock the tabs into place. This is the clamp that holds the arm, which is adjustable. You just basically adjust the height as needed and then use the screw to tighten it into place. The arm has a loop attachment which you can place around your dog's neck or around the body. I have now used this table maybe 3 or 4 times with my dog, and he is very comfortable with it. He hops right up onto the table without any issues. It did take a few tries with the height to get it at just the right setting for my dog. I love how easy the table is to disassemble and to put away. I stow it under my couch, and it's very easy and practical to use. As you can see here, my dog is very comfortable with it, and I give this product a thumbs up.